This is a step-by-step battery replacement for the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap. Remove the rear screws with the correct pentalobe driver. Keep screws organized. Locate and disconnect the battery connector gently to prevent shorting. Remove adhesive and battery brackets, using gentle heated adhesive release if needed. Use a calibrated torque driver and follow manufacturer torque specs for reassembly. Lift out the battery pack carefully, watching flex cables and connector strain. Place the new battery, align connectors, and press evenly into position. Reconnect the battery, reattach brackets, and torque screws to spec. Reinstall the rear case and tighten external screws in a star pattern. Power on, check battery health and system settings, and run a short charge test. Final checklist: ESD discharge, connectors secure, screws torqued, and proper charging confirmed.